And moving objects can be categorized into two classes. The first one is called transparent objects, and the second one is called non-transparent objects. What makes such objects be seen or visible at a certain time, but non-visible at a certain time? To answer these questions, let's begin with these two scientific concepts which can explain to us more and more. The first component is called the existence of moving objects, whether they are transparent or non-transparent. And the second category or component is called the exposure of moving objects, transparent or non-transparent. Existence. What does it mean? Existence of moving objects means that any objects moving in the universe or in a space, in a platform, does reflect a certain identity, and its identity can be transparent or non-transparent. Transparency identity explains that moving objects can be visible at a certain time through a physical equation. I will explain it. A non-transparency identity explains that these moving objects cannot be visible to us at a certain time. In this field, we can say, or we can conclude, that time and light are interconnected. Which is finite and which is infinite? Time is of course infinite, but light is finite. To represent their transparency or non-transparency, moving objects depend on this interconnectivity between time and light. So, time is infinite, but light performs just a short existence. Motion is also infinite, but time does carry the existence of motion so far. Motion remains just a mathematical reaction of performance that keeps moving objects maintain their existence in the field of motion, not in the field of light. Exposure. When a moving object gets exposed to light, they can represent their existence of light, not of motion. To sum up, it's time that represents the identity of motion and the identity of light. This can be a reason, scientific reason or evidence behind the transparency and non-transparency of moving objects. Three factors can make moving objects visible or non-visible. They are the quality of the color of the image of the moving object, the diameter of the object and its connection to energy, and the physical motion equation.